Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Jeep Grand Cherokee key fob. This is a straightforward task that you can easily do yourself. First, you'll need just two items, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Having a clean, well-lit area will make the process even smoother. Let's get started. Now, let's open up your key fob. Look closely for a small slot, usually found on the side or bottom edge of the casing. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Now, gently pop out the old CR2032 battery. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your key fob, making sure they fit together perfectly. Gently press them firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating the casing is securely closed. Finally, it's time to test your newly re-energized key fob. Try locking and unlocking your vehicle and ensure all buttons are functioning correctly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.